RBS Business Search Academy welcomes to you in the lecture number 4. In this lecture number 4, we have to understand model construction. Dear friends, after buying the subscription of SmartPLS, the next stop is what? To create a model for working in the SmartPLS. So how to create a model in the SmartPLS-4? That's the job of this video, to teach you how to create this video. So let's start our video. But before this one, my name is Dr. Sumro and I'm working as a professor in Shah Abdati University, Pakistan. And if you want to contact with me, my email address, my Facebook ID, and my YouTube channel, as well as my own website, all the links are available here. So after installing the SmartPLS on your desktop, you will get a one icon here. So this one icon is available, SmartPLS-4. Double click it. And now the SmartPLS-4 interface is before your eyes. So here you're looking, the different options are there. The first of all, these options, the sample projects are given here. So many sample projects are given here. If you want to work on this one, then now already created models are also available in the like the corporate reputation model, American customer satisfaction, and different other models are available. So not only the models are available, already constructed model are available, but along with the data, all these are available. So now one option is available to you. Other option is that we want to create our own model, as we want to understand all the options which are available in the SmartPLS-4. So if we will construct our own model in the SmartPLS-4, then we will understand the utility of all the tools which are available in the SmartPLS-4. So how to create your model? So first job is to choose a workspace. So here, so now you can create a workspace folder anywhere. So now already I have created the workforce is now, so that's why I'm selecting this one. Select the folder, and now the workspace has been selected. The next step is to choose to create a new project. So these icons are available. The first icon is new project. But before this one, if you want to check the about update, you can also check the update. So now my software is completely updated, so there's no need. So just press the OK button, and then you can create a new project. If you click it, a new. So now you can provide a name, like I'm giving it the trial project, and then trial project. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so in order to create a new model, the first job is what? To press this button, new project. So now the new project option is available to you, and now you have to provide the name like trial project or any other name of your choice. You can provide to it. Create. And then, so once if you create press the button of the create, you will find the two new options are available. One is import the data file, and other is a create the model. So before creating the model, we have to import our file. Click it, and then so my file is available here, trial data set. Just select it and press the button open. But before this one, you're looking here that the SmartPLS-4 is accepting nowadays the CSV, TXT, IBM SPSS like the .SAB and Microsoft Excel XLX. So now all the files which have the extension with this one, now you can open or attach this type of the file in the SmartPLS. So now these are great opportunities available in the SmartPLS-4, and then press OK. Open, and now you're looking here, the whole data file is available here. So now all the variables are shown to you in this one, and the first one is a gender. So now the gender, if you think it is a binary, you can leave it Okay, and if you think it's not a binary but it's a categorical, then you can press a categorical. So here looking the minimum and maximum. So now minimum may be for male and maximum may be for the female. Definitely there are the two types of the gender, so now always there will be the two. But in case of the positions, now here there will be the 4 or 5 positions. Okay, or you can also choose the ordinal over here. So there are the 4 choices are there, and those are shown from 1 to 4. And then you're looking here the ADL1. ADL1 is a construct. So ADL1 is an item of your construct. ADL2 is another item. In total, there are 9 items of the ADL construct. Another construct is our innovativeness. Another construct is the PAC, and name of the construct, and along with their items you are looking here. So if you want to deselect any item from it, for example, if I'm not interested to include the ADL2, then you can keep unchecked. Now this will not be included in the results or in your data analysis. So now if you select all these one, unselect, so now all will be unselected or deselected. If you want to select again, then you can. One more thing is that if you think there is any missing value in your data, then you can apply the marker, and it will give you a 1 mark to all those missing values. So here another important information is that choose the data to import. 359 cases are there when the 43 indicators are there, and then press the button of import, and the data has been properly imported. And now you're looking here, so the 43 indicators are there, 359 cases are there, and there is no missing value. And this is the zoom, so now you can zoom in, zoom out. So now you can check it according to your own easiness. And if you want to copy this whole data file, then you can copy it, and the content copied by the clipboard, and you can paste this data into the Excel. And then other frame is that you can also export through the Excel. This one is button. If you click it, and then the Excel file will be generated by the SmartPLS software, and then you can export. Then you can send this file to anywhere. Now the next thing is a correlation. So these are the values of the correlation among all the items, and then this is the raw data. Completely raw data is there, and this is the data group. So although it is unchecked, it is then not active because we have not provided any group. For example, sometimes we are required to work separately on the male, separately on the female. Sometimes we have to work like the Pakistan and Malaysia. So now because of this one, then we have to create a group. So this is called the multi-group analysis, multi-group data analysis, MGA. So sometimes we have to work on this one. So if you want to work on this one, then generate the group. In this one you can generate the groups. Now next thing is that the creator model. So first of all we have to select the creator model, and then it will demand from a name from you. So now already we provided the trial project, and then model type, which you want to choose. So now in my video number 2, I informed you that the SmartPLS-4 have different options. So now either regression, process, CB-SEM are 3 like the more tools are available, and these 3 tools were not available in the SmartPLS-3. So that's the major distinction between the SmartPLS-4 and SmartPLS-3. So the good thing is that the regression you can also perform, process you can also perform, CB-SEM covariance based statistical equation modeling you can also perform. But here we are interested in the PLS-SEM. So select it and then provide the same name. You can also provide, there's no any harm, but it's mandatory to provide the name. So project name we have given to it, save, and now another interface is open here. So now these all your variables are there, and now these are different main icons which are available to you. And here this is a tool, if you now like this one. Okay, so now first of all we have to create a model. So how to create a model? That's very easy. So there are the 2 types of methods are there through which you can create a model. So first thing is pattern variable. Click it and then provide it the name. For example, I'm providing it the ADL. Okay, and just click it now, and then you can put you can select all its variable and drag and leave the all these ones. And you're looking here that when you attach all the items, now the items have it attached properly on this one, and then you can change their okay. So now if you want to move this one, now you have to come here, select, and now you can move this one from here, from there, and now you can move out. So these four options which are available according to your need, you can align left, right, up, down. Now same these options which are available here, the same indicator, either you can change the direction from these through with the help of these four buttons, or you can right click and then these four buttons are also available to you. And one more, if you want to rename it, you can also change its name. So I think this name is okay. And then okay, now this is one method. So now you're looking the much space is available, and now you can also reduce space like this one. You can reduce this one by dragging all the items below near to the another item. So now like I'm doing in this way, that means a size much size has been saved because of this trick. And then you can put here the first thing is there. So now this was the first method to create a latent variable. Another method of creating the latent variable is which is I think easier than this one. Just select all the values all the items of your construct EPT, and then drag here, leave here, and then EPT. Okay, and then press the enter button. Now all the items will be like that attached with this one, and this variable has been created. So now you can also perform the same job with this one in order to save your much space from here. All the items, you can keep all the items near to each other. So now items have been placed near to each other, and then according to our need, then you can keep here. Okay, and the good thing is that now you're looking this line. This line shows the alignment. If you think that these two variables are exactly aligned with each other, then it's good. Now here you are looking either both variables are exactly aligned, are properly aligned with each other. So that's good thing is there. So now one more thing, this circle is our latent variable, or we can say unobserved variable, and these are our observed variables are there. Those which are in the circle, these are our observed variable, and this one is our unobserved variable. And more thing we want to get, the first thing is that now you're looking, these are in the orange color. So now if you place the cursor over, now you're getting a message that the problem, this latent variable is not connected to the other latent variable. So that's why the problem is there. So in order to connect this one with this one, now what we have to select this connect button and then click it. Okay, so now this one has been connected. So now ADL is our IV, our independent variable, and the EPD is our dependent variable, because we want to check the impact of the ADL on the EPD. So this is our first variable. And then another variable is our RTK. So where is, okay, this is our RTK. This is our RTK. Then the same procedure is there, and then you can, okay, we have to select this one, and then you can move it here and there according to your own easiness. And then you can also sometime, so we want to hide the indicator. So this is a way, in this way you can hide indicator, and you can also show the indicator. So here I want to hide indicator. Next one is a PAC. So we have to find the items of the PAC. Now PAC items are available, and then just press the button, and then the same in there. So now we have to hide its items. So another one is innovativeness. So we want to find out another one, innovativeness. Okay, so innovativeness is our third variable, and then so we have to also hide indicators and then place here. So now all our three have been our indicators have been created. So now if you want to check that which items have been used and which item have not been used, you can also all items which are shown to you, and then here use. So these are the use items. Let me say item those which have been imported from would have been transferred from here on this on this clip, on this surface. And then third option is unused. So only one construct is still unused, and along with the demographic information, the demographic variables are also there. So these are those items which have not worked on this one. So first we want to connect all of these one. Now this is our direct path, and this is our another direct path, but now this is our indirect path. So now here this is a mediation. So this is the mediation where we want to check the impact of the ATL on EPT with the help of the RTK. So now this one is a direct effect, and this is an indirect effect, or in the terms we call is a mediation. So another effect we want to check on the EPT of the ADL with the help of the this one. Okay, now this name, what is the name of this one? We have to change its name. Okay, show the indicators. Oh, sorry. Show okay, PAC. Its name is a PAC. So now we have to change the name, alpha PAC. Okay, so now we have to change its name, PAC. Now we want to check the impact of the ADL on EPT with the help of the PAC. Okay, and then another path we want to create, that's about we want to check again the impact of ADL on EPT with the help of innovativeness. So now these are the, so this one type of the mediation model is that there are the several mediators are there. So total there are 3 mediators are there. So now this is our independent variable, this is our dependent variable, and these are our mediators. So now these mediators are at the same time a dependent variable as well as dependent variable. Now one more is remaining, KMC itself. So now select it and drag here, and we want to make it as a moderator, because moderator is also very important. Hide all these one and then select that. So now we want to consider it as our moderator. So we want to moderate the relationship between innovativeness and the EPT, between the PAC, EPT, and the RTK and EPT. What? That's very simple. Just select this one. First moderation, second moderation, and the third moderation. So now moderation are in other terms we call as an interaction. So now all these are now this is our model which we have created. One more thing, that means that this model is our reflective. This is our, these items are our reflective items. So these are our latent variable is our reflective latent variable, because you're looking the direction of the arrow. So arrow is going out of the model latent variable to its observed variable. So now arrow is going from the this circle to the item. So that's why we call is a reflective measurement model. So now another measurement model is what? It's our formative measurement model. How to convert reflective into formative? That's easy. So just here invert the measurement model. Now you're looking here, so our model has been changed. So earlier our model was like the reflective, like here, but now our model has been changed, and now it has been it has become a formative model, because items are coming from the observed variable to the unobserved variable. So this situation is there. Now it is a formative. So now in the literature of the SmartPLS or structural equation modeling, so there are different tools are there to measure the quality of the formative measurement model and to measure the quality of the reflectively measurement model. So now this is our model construction, and now we're changing it, the invert the variable. Okay, and then if you want to export this image, then this here you can export the image, and then if you want to select all them, all your variable have been selected here. Okay, and one more thing is there that, okay, if you want to change the color, then the border and shapes are available, and then the border, and you can increase the size, you can decrease the size according to this one. You can change the text, you can change that. Okay, select it, and then you can change the size of the text, you can reduce the size of text, you can bold, you can underline it. Italize it, you can also underline it, you can change the color. So all the options which are available to you. Then you can also zoom here and zoom out, zoom in. And if you're not interested in this one, then you can click it, then it will disappear. Now the model is before you, and then even if you can change this model, for example, if you're not interested in the model, then just remove it, and then you can also remove all the lines, and then you can select that you can reshape this model according to your need. So for now, and then what this one is another model, hide its indicators, and then another model is there, and then another model is there, and then so this is another way just what to connect all these one all have been connected with each other. And then this is another model. According to your need, you can also create a model. So normally the graphical model which you already created for research purpose. So now according to the graphical model, you can create your model over here. So these are some of the tips and tricks are there. So with the help of these one, you can easily create a model for working on it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has clarified how to construct a model in the SmartPLS-4. Thank you very much for watching this video.